Hi guys! I just finished up our last Zoom meeting with some of our other friends, but we read an amazing book about how water is all around us because this week we're talking about the water cycle. All right, are we ready to get started? We're going to learn about all of the water's different forms and the different ways that you can see water in your life. All right, I'm going to share my screen with all of you so that way you're able to see my ebook, and let's get started. The book is called Water Can Be. Water is water. It's a puddle, pond, sea. When springtime comes splashing, the water flows free. Look at that water flowing down like a river. It's beautiful. Water can be a tadpole hatcher, a place for tadpoles, which is before a frog becomes a frog, it's a tadpole, and that's where they live. And a picture catcher, because you can see a reflection in it. Water is an otter feeder. Otters catch their food, the fishies, in the water. And a downhill speeder. Look at that water flowing downhill. Water is a garden soaker. Do you see the rain? And a valley cloaker. Did you know that water is also the fog that you see in the mornings? It's just water, but has a gas. Water is a thirst quencher, something you can drink, and a kid drencher when we all play in the sprinklers. Look at them, they look yellow. So happy. Water is a drink cooler when it's in the form of ice. And water is a rainbow jeweler. Remember, we learned last week how in order to make a rainbow, you need water and a sun or light. Water is a homemaker. Look at all of those beautiful creatures that live in the sea. And a shipbreaker, sometimes water can be dangerous. Water is water. It's fog, frost, and sea. When autumn comes chasing, water can be a cloud fluffer. We learned in our science experiment this week that water does something called evaporation. Can you say evaporation? Or it's involved in a process called evaporation. Water evaporates. And that means that it comes up from the ground and joins into the clouds. So cool. And it comes up from the seas and lakes and anywhere. So cool. Water can also be a fire snuffer, something to put out a fire. A school drinker and a bruise shrinker, just like the ice that we put on your knees at school. A salmon highway and an eagle flyway. Water can be a storm creator. Do you see that? That's snow. Snow is also water. And a decorator when it's frost on a window. A woodchuck warmer and a snowman former. Water is water. It's ice, snow, and sea. Now go and discover what else water can be. Water is everywhere. Sometimes you notice it, like when you get a drink or take a bath, but water also does things you might not realize. Water creates fog and snow and makes plants grow and keeps all living things on Earth alive. So cool, my friends. That was awesome. It was so nice to read that book with you guys today. Water is everywhere. It's all around us. So cool. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.